Hi everyone, today we're gonna practice Jolly Phonics Group 1 sounds. Let's get started. S, s, snake, s, snake, s, spider, s, spider, s, sun, s, sun, big S and little s. A, ant, ant, apple, apple, alligator, alligator, big A, little a. Tomato, tomato, turtle, turtle, table, table, big T, little t. Iguana, iguana, igloo, igloo, eel, eel, big I, little I. Pencil, pencil, pig, pig, pizza, pizza, big P, little p. Necklace, necklace, nest, nest, net, net, big N, little n. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.